This video will show you what to do if you are seeing a yellow border around the edge of the screen on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So this yellow border typically appears when an app is trying to record your screen or if you are screen sharing with someone else. Now this can happen when you are using Discord to share your screen or using OBS Studio to record your screen. Now to stop this yellow border, all you have to do is open this Show Hidden icon menu. Right click on the app that you are using to record or share the screen and then select quit. Once you do this, the app will be closed and you should no longer see the yellow border. However, if you want to record or share the screen but don't want Windows to show that yellow border, open the Settings app. Now go to this Privacy and Security tab. Here you will need to scroll all the way down and go to the Screenshots border option. Now enable this toggle at the top that says Screenshot Border Setting Access. Now enable this toggle that says Let Apps Turn Off the Screenshot Border. So make sure to enable this as well. Finally, you will need to go to the app that you are using to record or share the screen and then enable access for this as well. So this will allow the app to remove the yellow border. However, if nothing else works and if you still see the yellow border, go to the accessibility settings. Now here you will need to scroll down and click on narrator and then make sure that the narrator option is turned off. Once you do this, the yellow border will be gone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.